Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Echo Show 15 is displaying outdated appointments or missing newly added events, you're probably dealing with a calendar synchronization issue. When the Echo Show 15 stops syncing properly, reminders and schedules may no longer stay up to date, making it difficult to keep track of daily activities. These problems can be caused by internet interruptions, account authorization issues, delayed syncing, or temporary software glitches. Fortunately, most calendar problems can be resolved with a few simple troubleshooting steps. In this video, I'll walk you through several easy methods that may help restore proper calendar synchronization on your Echo Show 15. Try these. Step 1. Confirm that the calendar account linked to the Echo Show 15 contains the latest events. Step 2. Make sure the Echo Show 15 is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. Step 3. Verify that the account associated with the Echo Show 15 is still signed in correctly. Step 4. Restart the Echo Show 15 to refresh the synchronization process. Step 5. Check for software updates available for the Echo Show 15 and install them if needed. Step 6. Confirm that new appointments are appearing correctly on the Echo Show 15 after the sync completes.